lovely. How are you doing today? I hope you're really well. Today I have a really cute, fun look. It is a pastel rainbow look. I just thought we'd do something fun and something creative because that is what it's all about on my channel. Having fun, being creative, spreading positivity, and you guessed it, love. I'm just gonna keep this intro short and sweet today. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're going to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. All of my socials are linked down below, as well as all the products and brushes that I use in this video. And yeah, have fun and let's get to it. Okay, so we got my eyebrows on, I got my eyes primed, and now it's time to show you the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna use. I am going to be using the BeautyBay EYN Bright Matte Palette because it just has all the colors of the rainbow that you could need. They're all matte. You also have a few neutrals to blend out. Yeah, it's well loved. So the first shade I'm going to use is this one right here, which is called Custard Cream. We're starting with Baby Yellow. Now you're going to take that color on a flat brush and just put it on your eyelid. Right there on the first part. It's a little bit too much, but that's okay because we're gonna blend like another color on top of that. So that's what you want to do first. Next, we will be taking a soft pale green. I'm using Slice of Lime. Same thing, I'm just going to kind of overlap it. Overlap like so. And you just want to pat. Really pat, pat, pat. You want to first get that color on the lid, and then we're going to blend out in the crease. Then we are going to take Mint. I'm using the color Daydream. Same thing, just make sure the colors overlap. Moving on to Baby Blue. I'm going to use the color Paradise. Then I'm going on to Lilac, and I'm using Living for Lavender. I'm gonna put that right there on the end of your eyelid, and again make sure the colors overlap. So this is what it should look like now. I am going to blend out this part using a baby pink. Of course, we can't forget baby pink. I'm using the color Sweet Tooth on a very small, more precise blending brush. This is a Morphe M514. As always, I link all the products, all the brushes that I use down below. If I miss anything, just let me know in the comments. I'm just going to softly blend that pink into that lilac shade, kind of like a C shape. I'm not going to use any eyeliner today, so I'm going to do the eyeshadow shape more rounded, hence the C motion. Just very softly blend that. Again, little to no pressure. Now once you've applied it like that, you're just going to clean up the brush real quick, and you're just going to really make some teeny tiny circular motions and just blend out that pink. It looks so pretty already, and we're not even done yet. I like it. I like it so far. Now I'm going to take an even thinner blending brush. This is the one I used, and this is the one I'm gonna use. This is the, again, Morphe M507. This is the teeny tiniest but still fluffy blending brush that I own. And now I'm just going to, again, go in order of the colors and blend that out into the crease. So I'm gonna start with that lavender color. Take it as high as you want. I like to take it very high because I have pretty hooded eyes, but just take it as far as you like. Keep it like that. We're gonna do this later, but this is just the steps that we need to follow in order to get that perfect seamless blend. Going in with that baby blue. And again, you want the colors to overlap. Still make sure you see all of the colors. That's the hardest part. I gotta be honest, it is the hardest part. It takes the most time, but if you persevere, you will get there in the end, I promise. Little side note, green and blue are the most difficult colors to work with when blending, so if you're not up for it, don't start, but if you do, be patient. Trust the process, like we always say. And last but not least, the baby yellow. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of that Hello Sunshine color. I'm just gonna mix the two because I feel like it's a little too pale. It's almost white. I just need it to be a little bit more yellow. Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. See the difference? That's so much better. Sometimes you just need to mix colors in order for you to get the perfect shade. Okay, so if you can see here, I'm not really happy about the blending. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back with that M514 brush, no additional product, and I'm just going to really softly, like little to no pressure, like I always say, and just really softly blend out the colors, color for color. You don't want to get all the colors mixed up because it's gonna look muddy. For example, I just blended out the green, like so. I always have a little towel on my lap, and I just clean the brush between colors. So I just cleaned that color. Now I'm just going to go into that mint and the baby blue. When doing a rainbow eyeshadow look, always keep in mind that you have to go back and forth with the colors, because as you can see, I barely see that mint green anymore. So I'm gonna have to go back in a second to reapply that mint green, but that's okay. That's how we do. So when you're finished blending it all out, it should look something like this. I am obsessed, honestly, already. And we haven't even finished the rest of the makeup. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do my base off camera, and then we're gonna finish off the eyes and of course do cheeks and lips. And I am back. I did my foundation, powder, concealer, bronzer, contour off camera, and now we're going to finish off the eyes. And it's pretty simple. We're just going to repeat the colors on the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna start working inwards out again, which is, again, starting off with that baby yellow. You wanna take a pencil brush. I'm not going to go into the inner corner completely. I'm just going to take that right there. As you can see, I'm not just applying it, but I'm also blending it at the same time. So just go back and forth, back and forth. Going back and forth until you're completely satisfied with not only the blending, but the saturation of the colors. Taking that M514 again, that fluffier, still precise brush, taking that baby pink, and I'm just going to connect the top to the bottom. So this is the eyeshadow look done. Time for lashes. I'm gonna use the roller lash first. For lashes, I used the Queen Tarzi Sofia lashes. And of course, optional, a thin coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. For blush, I'm gonna use Petal Power by MAC. And for highlighter, I'm going to, again, use the Inglot Sparkling Dust in #1, which is just that perfect nude rose gold peachy color. Goes with actually almost every look. And for my lip combo, I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Weirdo. Going over that with the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Criminal. And to top that, I'm taking the Be Perfect Double Glazed Lip Gloss in Sugar Sugar. A little bit of setting spray. And this, my friend, is how the finished look turned out. I am completely obsessed and relieved because I just went into this look head first. I dove in on a whim, not knowing if this was going to be an epic fail or a win, and I'm so happy that it turned out to be the latter. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It would help my channel immensely. If you're not subscribed already, please do. Let's be friends. Also, do not forget to click that notification bell so anytime I upload, you will be notified. If you are going to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. All of my socials are linked down below, as well as all the products and brushes I used. Can't say it enough. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!